Hey Matt, what was that Partzilla idea again?
Are we doing this?
Yeah, we'll do it.
Excellent. So check this out.
So you're at Walmart, right? And it's super hot outside, and you've decided to buy ice cream sandwiches for your entire crew. And as you're looking through the freezer, you're looking at all the different brands, you're like, oh shoot, they don't have your favorite kind of ice cream sandwich. Next thing you know, Gabe is there, and he's wearing like a really dumb looking Hawaiian shirt. And after a huge manly high five, you notice he's wearing a pretty dope Partzilla hat. And you're all like, hey, sweet hat, Gabe. I didn't know you used Partzilla. He's all like,
heck yeah, brother. Partzilla has the rarest OEM parts for pretty much every vehicle, and they have best price guarantee.
and then this random biker dude shows up who kind of looks like the prospector from Toy Story 2, and he's all like, are you two boys talking about Partzilla? Then your eyes get real big, and you're all like, wait, you too? And he's all like, they're gum. I love those guys. They have free shipping on all orders over $149. Then he pulls out those ice cream sandwiches from behind his back that you were looking for earlier, and you're like, no way! Next thing you know, all three of you are laughing and hugging and jumping and eating ice cream sandwiches together. And Gabe's got a mouthful of ice cream and is all like, this is the best day of my life.
So what do you think?
No, I hate it. Check out Partzilla.com for OEM and aftermarket parts for every vehicle you have. Looking for rare parts? Partzilla has those too. Scan the QR code here or check out the link below.